walk around Asia in Siem Reap, Cambodia. I am with very highly regarded chef, Chef Chanrit Van, who is attached to Lok Lak restaurant over at Courtyard by Marriott, Siem Reap. Chef, we are cooking red ants, which I have never eaten. How are we going to cook it?
Yes, so today we're gonna show the red ant beef salad. So we're gonna use the local beef.
Okay.
And our local beef, so we do our own edges.
Okay.
So which is to keep the meat more tender and juicy.
Great.
And the way how we do it's similar to beef carpaccio.
Okay.
So we just like quick sear beefs, and then you thin slice it and serve with the Kai Lan salad.
Kai Lan salad,
and
okay.
Spicy chili sauce, and on top with the crispy red ant.
Okay, crispy red ants, guys. Let's have a look, see how it's done. Guys, red ant beef salad. Okay.
Yep.
Now I tasted the red ant a little bit, and it tastes sour, right? Yeah. Chef, so as far as the Kai Lan, right, the Chinese vegetable, if you can't get a hold of that, what can you use?
You can use the radish.
Okay.
Yeah, radish you can use instead of this one.
Sure.
Yes.
Anything crunchy, I guess.
Yeah, anything crunchy. So
Yeah.
Vegetable crunchy, green vegetable crunchy. So you can use instead of Kai Lan.
Sure.
Yeah.
And if you can't find red ants in your garden, what do you use?
You can use vinegar,
Vinegar?
or
All
lemon
right.
juice,
Okay.
Because the reason why I use a red ant, because red ant is sour.
Sure.
So in many recipe in Cambodia, so we use a lot of ant. So normally ant is go very well with the beef.
Okay.
So some we use ant stir fry with the beef.
Right.
Some we use the ant to make the soup.
Okay.
Beef soup with red ant.
Really?
So
Right.
this recipe I just makes like a carpaccio, it's
Sure,
like red
sure.
ant salad with
Right.
fries, red ant on top. So you can, when you have it, you can
taste the sourness.
sour and crispy.
Yeah. Well, so there you go, guys. Have a look at the recipe courtesy of Chef Chanrit Van over at Lok Lak restaurant in Courtyard by Marriott, Siem Reap. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Chef.
thank you.
I'll catch you guys next video.